Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take burst shot with the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, in the camera settings, go down and tap on swipe shutter button 2, and from here select take burst shot, and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Next, we open up the camera app, and to take a burst shot, just simply drag down. So touch and hold on the shutter button and then drag down like this. So here you can see it will start to take the burst shot. So if you touch and hold for too long, it will start to record a video. So instead, try to do it a bit faster. Simply just drag it down, and that will start to take the burst shot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, once you have finished taking the burst shot, you can see in this picture here, I have a collection of 62 shots. From here, I can swipe across and choose which is the main shot. I can tap on that, and here I can tap on this button, and that is the best shot. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.